There has been a move towards sustainable manufacturing in recent years. How has ERP supported this shift?
There are multiple ways that a really strong ERP system can help improve sustainability within a manufacturing business, such as improved visibility drives better decision making. It's pretty simple. But making the business able to run more lean because you've got more access to information, more automation in the business, helps you have a smaller business footprint. Smaller business footprint can lead to less power usage, can lead to more efficiency from your existing people, less moving around. All of those things can help make your business more sustainable. Greater integration of people, process and machines reduces waste. It cuts down on rework, and if you're getting if your plant is operating less, then you're using less energy. That's great for sustainability. It's great for the business. It's great for the environment. Streamlined warehouse and logistics and transportation planning and execution is great, because if I'm able to make sure that I'm getting more done at a time in my warehouse and I'm putting more stuff onto a truck that needs to go out and deliver, I'm now generating less emissions, I'm using more energy, I'm using less energy, all those other things. Again, I'm actually shrinking my footprint, even if I'm growing my business.
Yeah.
Historically, we talk about ERP as a way of doing more with less, but as a strategic thinker in a business now, who is constantly not just thinking about operational execution, but is thinking about the footprint we leave on our world, and indeed the impression that we leave with the public and with our potential investors and our bankers and our insurers, sustainability is a fundamental part of strategic thinking now. So looking at your ERP as a way of improving your sustainability, of reducing your footprint, or at least not growing your footprint at the same rate as your business grows, is actually just really good, fundamentally good business sense now.